An oversized bolt knob provides quick, unencumbered bolt cycling on bench rest and tactical rifles. The Brownells Oversized Tactical Bolt Knob is CNC manufactured from lightweight aluminum and features a tapered, palm-fitting design. Finished with Brownells gun coat, these great bolt handles are available in matte black, matte green, and natural finish. They are 1 and 17/32 long, 0.990 in diameter, weight 1.3 ounces, and are threaded 5/16 by 24. The installation requires threading of the original bolt handle. The Brownells Oversized Tactical Bolt Knob is backed by our 100% unconditional lifetime satisfaction guarantee.